Hey guys, this is Dragon432100 here. I'm here with another unboxing of Beywheelz. But this the Beywheel I'm unboxing today is River Beast Gil. It's a balance type. Here's the stats. Spirit Shield, three lines for speed, 1 line for power. The energy core River, four lines for speed and like 6 lines for power. Finally, the attack gear Beast, 3 lines speed, one line power. The Drago Trick Terrain Stadium, all the other bays, Wild Mane Leon, Rampage Stomper Bull, Shadow Fortune Zarafa, Claw Shredder Corvettes, Flame Bite Serpent, and Savage Blade Herculeo. Now let's open this up. Yeah, I just hate that. Here's the instructions. Here's the code card. This is a light green ripcord. Dark green launcher. It's modified. Now on to the Beywheelz. First, the Spirit Axle and Spirit Shield Gil. Here's the energy core River. It's really spiky on the side. And here's the attack gear Beast. By the looks of it, kind of look like an alligator's mouth wide open. Now to assemble this Beywheelz. On. This is so frustrating. And that's River Beast Gil. I don't know if it's supposed to look like this because it's not in all the way, but well, it's in all the way, but it just looks wrong. Well, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, guys, and I'll see you later.